Well, here we are at the end of the year already, and today we're going to look at 12 of my favorite wigs of 2025. So how we're going to do this is I'm not going to talk about each one because, as you know, if you follow me along all year long, I've already shown you all these wigs. So I'm just going to show the wigs. I'll put the name and the color on the bottom of the screen here and let you see my favorite wigs of 2025. Stay to the end and we'll have a little talk before it's over, but I just want to take a second and thank you for hanging in there with me all year long. I hope you enjoyed my wig reviews this year. We have tons of exciting things coming up in 2026. If you see any of these styles that you want to see the full review on, as always, just put the name of the wig in the search bar of my channel and the full review will pop up. So let's take a look at my favorite wigs of 2025. All right, that was a look at a few of my favorite wigs this year, but my number one wig this year is this one. And it is a wig that I fell in love with the moment I took it out of the box. It's just me. It feels amazing. The fibers are beautiful. The color is perfect. I love every single thing about it. So my favorite wig for 2025 is Envy's Page, and this color is Sparkling Champagne. Like I said, I have a full review on it if you want to know more about it, but it has been the wig, and this is a fairly new style. I have worn it over and over and over again. I never wear it that someone doesn't stop me and ask me about my hair. Y'all, this is absolutely the most gorgeous wig. I love it. I just can't rave enough about it. I wish I had it in more colors. It is just the wig I find I keep reaching for. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Leave me your comments. What were your favorites this year? If you didn't like any of these, tell me the ones you liked. I want to know your personal favorite wig of 2025. Leave it for me in the drop down box below in the comments. I really am curious to see, what did you wear the most? Maybe you wore some I haven't tried yet. Again, thank you for staying with me all these years. Oh my goodness, it has been quite the ride. And you know, I'm really looking forward to this next year. New wigs, new adventures, new things to share with you. So please stay with me, follow along, go on all the other social media platforms. I'm just about on all of those, showing different types of wig reviews on different platforms. I look forward to seeing you there. Thanks so much and happy holidays.